Eagle and owner Jamie. In second place is Sam the Bass and owner Ellie. And in first place, Buster the Golden and owner Amy. Oh my gosh! My God, my God, oh my God. Oh my God, guys, just, oh my God. Buster just won local saying, oh my God. Thank you, Buster. Oh my God, Buster, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, see, look, we're seeing Nintendo's top, oh my God, thank you, Buster, oh my gosh, oh my God, oh my God, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, look at Minnie, it's cute, look at Buster, look at him, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh look at him, he's so happy too, oh my God, oh my gosh, oh my gosh guys, I'm so happy. Oh my God, I love you so much, Buster. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my gosh. It was just so amazing.